Beautiful, elegant, aesthetic. Made in Germany. The new generation 2012 by Memmert raises the bar. It's good when beauty and function don't exclude each other. But it's even better when beauty is functional at the same time. For more than 30 years, the outer housing of Memmert appliances has been made of the unique structured stainless steel. Scratch-resistant, easy to clean, and a pleasure to the eyes of those who like to be surrounded by aesthetic, modern design. For more than 65 years, we have pursued one goal when designing our appliances: controlled atmosphere. And this promise to you has a name: 100% AtmoSafe.